Click on All Products from the top menu, then choose either Sarah Long Report, Targeted List, or Sarah Long Report, EDDM. Both options are located under the Specialty Products. In this video, we will place an order for targeted lists. At the bottom of the Info tab, you will see a table highlighting the differences between doing a mailing with a targeted list versus an EDDM mailing. You can also download PDF templates at the bottom of the page if you need detailed specifications for your designer. The Setup tab will provide additional information about list setup, as well as artwork setup. Navigate the price calculator from top to bottom for best results. The first option is the size of the report. After choosing the desired size, enter the quantity you plan to mail. Note that the system will automatically adjust your quantity at a later step if you enter your quantity incorrectly here. But it is crucial to enter an accurate quantity, since paper types can differ for various quantities. The 100 pounds gloss cover paper is the most common option and is recommended by Sarah Long. Your folding option will be chosen automatically based on the selected report size. Choose if you like to receive additional non-addressed pieces shipped back to you, if you plan to hand them out. Select your postage class, and keep in mind that postage class affects how long it takes the USPS to deliver your pieces. The days shown within the postage drop-down are only for the post office delivery times, and it does not include our production time. Your delivery time begins the day after we mail, since we mail at the end of the day. Make sure your quantity to be mailed is correct, since the postage options change based on mailing quantity. Your postage option will also dictate if your undeliverable pieces will be returned back to you. Your undeliverable pieces will be returned back to you if you only choose first-class postage. Post office will recycle your undeliverables if you choose standard class. On the next option, choose how you would like your mail pieces to be addressed. The name-only option will only print the resident's name and address. If the resident no longer lives at the property and you are mailing first class, then your piece will be considered undeliverable and be returned back to you. If you are mailing standard class, then the mail piece will be returned to USPS and then recycled. Regardless of your postage class, if you want your mail piece to stay with the homeowner even if it is addressed to the incorrect name, then you must either choose option 2 or 3. If your artwork is correctly set up, you should leave the setup cost option as no additional setup needed. If your artwork has simple problems such as missing bleeds or incorrect fold lines, then choose Sarah Long Setup, so we can fix such minor issues for an additional cost. Note that this option does not include design services. After you have made all your selections, click on Order Now button to upload your PDF artwork on the next page.